Hi guys! I'm doing a garden makeover today. So from Toronto, I'm saying hello. How are you, my dear subscribers and viewers? Well, it's summertime in Canada, but sad to say, I need to look into a part of my garden. This is the end part of my property. If you see the wall, the green wall, that's the end of my backyard, and I have a garden at the end, not too big, but it's long, and I need to look into it because all the weeds are growing. My flowers cannot bloom up to now. You see those weeds? Oh, this has to go away. And those wildflowers, look at this. This should not be here. Maybe I've been so busy. So busy with what? Well, I have a full-time job and I have my YouTube, so maybe I've been busy with my YouTube, right? So you see, all those weeds should go away so that my flowers can bloom, so that my hydrangeas can bloom. So guys, I want you to come with me and see my activities just for the sake of having fun in my garden this summer. And for those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the subscribe button, like, and write your comment down below. Click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my videos. Okay guys, come and have fun in my garden. The materials that I'll be using are the following. This concrete slab, which I'm going to use for the edging. These are the bags of soil that I'm going to use to lift a little bit my garden. See those holes? The squirrels have been digging my bags of soil because this soil has been here for many days. And I am still lazy. These ones are mulch chips, wood chips, to cover the upper part of my garden. I'm going to plant some flowers later on. These flowers. My flowers are ready. First, I need to clean up all the weeds in my garden before I can arrange them properly. Never mind that bird. That's my friend. That bird has been singing in my backyard for many years. Okay, first I'll remove my solar light and then clean it up. Oh gosh, you see, this wood has been rotten, so I'm going to change this into the concrete slab. Okay guys, cleanup is almost done. My first and initial cleanup. Oh, it took me 2 hours, I guess, of cleaning up. This is better. It's already cleaned up. And you can see and I made a big pile of mess here. I need someone to help me remove these things. Ow. Oh, I need to relax. I deserve a break. I'm tired. So guys, what we're going to do today is remove totally the wood at the edge and replace it with a concrete slab, just like what Papa is doing there, totally up to here. And then we're going to pour the soil and the mulch on top and plant some flowers. Ah, this is heavy. Heavy. Okay. Kulang pa ang butas mo, papi. That slab is an interlocking slab, so... Oh no! It's not straight! I did not do it straight. Have to do it again. Papa, it's not straight. Maybe when you go. So guys, this is how my garden looks like now. My improved garden. So all the weeds are gone, and we already put our new edging slab, concrete slab. I put a lot of soil, around 15 bags of soil, and then 4 bags of wood chips. It's also called mulch, so that the soil will be moist, so that the weeds would not come out again. Look at this flower pots hanging. I put it there. Ooh, look at them, beautiful. What can you say? So this is here before. This is my white hydrangea. This is new, my pink hydrangea, and this one will also give me flower. This has been there. This is a yellow flower that's coming soon. And most of these plants are perennial. They will die in the winter and will come back again in the spring. I also put a few annuals which will die in the winter and will not come back anymore, like these geraniums and these little ones. So next year they will not be here. I have also impatiens there, but all the rest are perennial. They come back every year. These are my day lilies, my hosta. This is a beautiful hydrangea. I don't know, there's just a little bit of flower coming out. These are my white daisies. Oh, my lupin. This is new. I planted this just now. My red lupin. By the way, this is a partly shaded area, so all my plants here are for partly shaded areas. I mean, part sun, okay, not the whole day sun, but just a few hours of sun, because they are scared of too much heat. Okay, these are annuals I put there, and I forgot the name of this guy. This keeps on coming every year. And then my lily. This is my bleeding heart. The flower is gone. Hosta, impatiens over there. These are yellow flowers. I forgot the name. Daylily. This one is another lupin, a yellow lupin that's already dried out. And this is another new guy, new baby in my garden. This is a blue or purple hydrangea. Look at that, it's so pretty. Hydrangeas like partly shaded areas, so I hope this will be good here. I have another hydrangea, but I don't know why it has become so small. And then what's the name of this one? Here I have it. Tick-seed Coreopsis. Okay, and I have this lily. The flower is coming soon. Hostas. And this is a nice, beautiful flower. I forgot the name. It will bloom in the late summer. There. And I have another lupin here. And hydrangea at the end. Okay, so check it out. There you go. I hope you enjoyed watching my garden makeover. Thank you very much, guys. And I hope you like my plants and the way I did it. So, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button, the notification bell. Also, you can write some comments for me and share my video to your friends. So from here in my garden in Toronto, I'm saying bye. Thank you very much for watching. Till the next video.